Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into all credit card account using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. Once you open up your web browser, go to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in www.alcar.com and press enter on the keyboard. Once you do that, you end up in the official website center. Go ahead and click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner. In order to bring up the login area, type in your username in the first text box that appears on the screen. Once you are done, type in your password on the next lecture to type in your correct information while logging into your account. In case you don't remember it, you can click on Forgot Your Username or Password link, which will work for both username or password. Simply click on that link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for username, alter, reset to a new password. If you've not enrolled for online access for old card, you can click on this Enroll Here link and follow the instructions to register. If you want the system to remember your credentials, click on the Remember Me box beneath the Sign In button. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave this box unchecked before logged into your account. Finally, click on the Sign In button at WAT and type in your information is correct and wait for a few seconds. You'll be logged into your old credit card account right away without further delay. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.